And the result is here today before you. And several of the artists are here with us, but some of them who couldn't travel for various reasons. But the work will speak for itself. Zara, you should speak about me for his unwavering support through this past decade, without which this gallery was not possible. To Mr. Michel Galopin for his support and the entire Seraha teams. And to all of you, excellencies, dignitaries, supporters, ladies, gentlemen, for your continued support that has kept us going. And honestly, for me today, all the artists are the chief guests. My young interns are the chief guests, the curators the chief guest, and Mr. Bulani and Mr. Michel Galopin are the chief guests. Can we ask you, gentlemen, welcome back. It's so wonderful to have people coming back to Islamabad, who's been a big supporter and a patron of Pakistani art, and he's come back to the High Commission, and he's here with us this evening. So thank you, Richard, for your support. Mr. Bulani, Mr. Michel, we would like you to come and speak.
Beautiful artists of talent of artists of Pakistan, beauty of Satrang. Now I'm going to give the floor to Mr. Bulani, because Satrang is his grandchild. He's the one who asked for this baby to be born in 2012. Now he's 10 years old. It's a child still. Thank you, Shukriya, Allah Hafiz.
Let me start by congratulating Asma and our entire team for this last 10 successful years of operating Satrang Gallery. And equally, I think congratulations goes to Zara also. It requires passion, it requires talent, it requires time. And my thanks to the audience, because without audience support, we may not have continued. But if we have done it, it's because of your encouragement. Time flies, the hotel celebrates 20th anniversary, Satrang 10 years. And it's not that we didn't thought of it earlier, but this building, this hotel, was built in different stages. The first was 200 rooms, then we added another 200 rooms. So the last 200 rooms were added in 10 years back. It was in 2011, 2012. And mashallah, in all respects, we have done extremely well. And we will continue, because I was talking to a few of our well-wishers, that this country has huge talent. We have got young, talented people, and organizations like us, the corporate sector, needs to support, needs to provide the platform to the young and talented people. That's the only way to connect the talent with the service who avail these things, because if we don't encourage them, they will never. And this is the learning from our institution, this is from our sponsors, this is the basic thing by our development network, that we must work with the local community, we must look after them and explore the talent and connect to the right audience. So be it arts and crafts, be it music initiative or sports, we are mashallah all over, and it's our commitment that we work with the local community, and we look forward to your support. I'll not say long time, but again, Asma, I think it's a wonderful year. I remember my first connection to Asma was at the Egyptian embassy, when the ambassador had this calligraphic exhibition, and I said, can we have a coffee next week? So we had, and I said, this is what our objective is, to create this. And mashallah, like Mr. Galopin mentioned, this is the only gallery which does not sleep. Work 365 days, 24/7. Even during COVID, that was the only gallery never closed. So, thank you very much and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bulani. Thank you, everyone. Please enjoy the show, and there's some drinks and